right? Uh, so that we are having exam on 27th. So I thought of revising all the topics once again. So there are mainly 6 topics which are having 50% of the weightage, and one such topic which every year comes for 10 marks is logical Venn diagrams. So what I am going to do is I am going to show you the different models of questioning from logical Venn diagrams. So the first model of questioning is based on identifying logical Venn diagrams, which we call LVD, for given items. So based on this question, what will happen is they will give you 3 items or 3 things or 3 countries or whatever. Basically, generally we refer to those as items. So you need to identify the logical Venn diagram. So mainly there are 10 types, 10 ways of representation. So whenever a question is given, it should belong to these 10 types only. So type 1, where one item is given and the remaining 2 items belong to that same group. So for example, let us take fruits, apples, bananas. So this is one example for this particular model. Then type 2, this is related to concentric circles where each item belongs to one another. You can take an example of seconds, minutes, hours. Then type 3, where each item is different from one another. You can use the example of engineers, lawyers, doctors. Then type 4, where 2 items are partially connected to the third, but these 2 don't have any connection. So the best example for this is bricks, bridges, and houses. So bricks are used to build buildings as well as houses, but all bricks are not used to build only these 2 items. And similarly, bridges and houses are different from one another. Then type 5, where each logical Venn diagram has a partial connection with one another. You can use the examples of boys, athletes, Indians. Then type 6, where one item belongs to another and the third one is entirely different. You can use the example of humans, boys, parrots. Then type 7, where 2 items belong to one another and the third one is partially connected to only one item. So example for this: male, fathers, children. Then type 8, where one item belongs to another and the third one is connected to both. So example: female, mothers, doctors. Then type 9, where two items are partially connected and they belong to the same group. So an example for this would be main, fathers, uncles. Then finally type 10, where two items are partially connected to one another and third one is entirely different. So example for this can be given as authors, professors, babies. So these are the 10 models in which you will be getting 5 marks.